So with this knowledge, which I just taught you this sum, I had named that sum as 4C because already in on page number 17 in question number 4 you have A and B. I purposely named it as C because that type of sum is not there in your book, the one which I just did. So now we go on to question number 4A of your textbook. Okay, question number 4A. Okay. So let's read this sum. If the speed of light in a medium is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second, okay, the speed of light in a medium is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second, what is the absolute refractive index of the medium, of that medium, whatever that medium, it can be glass, water, alcohol, benzene, turpentine, diamond, whatever, we don't know, okay, any transparent medium for that matter, okay. So, or translucent medium. So, they are asking you what is the absolute refractive? So, I will just write down there. So, what is the data given to me? That the speed of light. Speed means, what is the other name for speed? Velocity. Same thing. Velocity, speed means the same thing. Same thing, of course, but there is a slight difference. We learned that in chapter number 1 in standard 9. There is a difference between speed and velocity. Speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector, velocity has a direction, speed doesn't have direction, okay? But anyway, but here we will consider speed and velocity as the same thing, okay? So if the speed of light in a medium, so the speed of light is given to you, velocity, okay? In the medium, so I don't know the medium, I am writing here m. So I say Vm, what is the velocity given to you? 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Now they are asking you what is the absolute refractive index of the medium. Absolute, I hope you have learned in this lesson what is absolute refractive index. So what do you mean by absolute refractive index? Now in the previous sum which you did, we had learned refractive index of second medium with respect to one medium with respect to other, second with respect to one or one with respect to two. But absolute तो एक ही मीडियम का बात चल रहा है. What is the other medium? In absolute मतलब दूसरा मीडियम है ही नहीं. तो how to find out? Absolute refractive index you already learned in this lesson. Absolute refractive index is nothing but refractive index of that medium with respect to air. The refractive index of any medium with respect to air is called the absolute refractive index of that medium. Clear? So in other words, I have to divide the velocity of light in air by the velocity of light in that particular medium. So in other words, when I write, so I say refractive index of, it's absolute, right? So of that medium with respect to air. So the refractive index of a medium with respect to air, okay, as compared to air, is called absolute refractive index. So I have to write this. Clear till here? Okay. Now I am writing the formula. Now the formula you all have learned. It's easy. So what is it? I got NMA. Absolute refractive index, refractive index medium of the medium with respect to air. So what is the formula I told you? Ulta pulta. Here m is first and a is next. But when I write velocity, I write a first and m down. Ulta pulta. M पहला है, a next है. But you are writing a goes up, m comes down. Now you will say I don't know the velocity of air. It is not given. Sorry boss. You will have to learn it. You should be knowing the velocity of light in air. So velocity of light in air, or you can say vacuum, without absence of any medium, velocity of light in air is always fixed. That is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Okay, you should be knowing this. They will not give you. If they give you, good. But if they don't give you, you have to know this. So, what is the velocity of light in air or vacuum? What is vacuum? Vacuum means where there is no medium. कुछ है ही नहीं. Air भी नहीं है, कुछ solid नहीं है, liquid नहीं, gas नहीं. It's vacuum. Vacuum मतलब कुछ नहीं. Okay? So velocity of light in air or vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to 8. Okay. Upon what is the velocity of light in that particular medium? It is given here 1.5 into 10 raised to what? 8. Fine. So 10 raised to 8, 10 raised to 8 cancelled. Barabar. Now I have got decimal down. Decimal देखकर थोड़ा कंटल आता है. I know that. So what do you do? Just write it. I'll tell you what to do. You do the same thing. You all are big students now, quite grown up. So what do you do? Push it up here. How do I get rid of the decimal? Push it to the end. So when it goes to the end, it disappears. So I'll push this decimal here, one place. So when the decimal goes here, it will disappear. So when I push it one time, one place, what happens? A 0 goes up, or you can say multiply by 10 or 0. So in other words, I will get now, it was 3 upon 1.5, now it will become 30 upon 15. Why 30 upon 15? Because the decimal went up. Hope it's clear till here. Okay. So I'll say 15 ones are 15 twos are. Again, so what is my? It is 2. So what is the refractive index of that medium with respect to air? It is 2. What about units? I told you already, refractive index does not have any units. I hope it is clear. No units for refractive index. Clear?